sleeping. Once his mother's back, we'll go work on the car. I got a engine bay to do. It's on an EK coupe. He wants basically like all the little weld holes that's in the engine bay. All of them blocked off. What else he wanted? He wanted some of the seam sealer. Some of it flattened out because it's a little gumpy. Just sand it down. Yeah, and pretty much just bondo everything, and then make it look better than what it was. The engine bay was done, but he just didn't like it, and he started to do it. And honestly, engine bays are not the easiest thing. They're really hard. People think it's a really easy thing, but it's not. It's a small space, and you have a lot of corners where the actual DA doesn't fit. So yeah, it's a long process. So people that think that engine bays are easy, they're not. But yeah, I'm waiting till she comes back, and when she comes back, we'll get to work. We gotta get that shit going, because I promised him the car will be done in 2 weeks. And if I do it less, good, but 2 weeks just to do an engine bay. I'm really OCD on how the engine bay comes out when I paint it, when I do the body work on it. So let's see. I mean, I'm gonna take you guys along from a before to when I'm done. Water ball here. He's making a damn mess. He is making a mess. Yeah. 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 Your mother's gonna kill you when she gets back. Your mother's gonna kill you when she gets back. I'm telling you. She gonna be mad. Ooh, she gonna be mad. He's awake again. What's up? Alright, I didn't do it.
What the hell is this?
I told you he was in trouble.
Miguel. I'm gonna beat your ass.
Oh, she's gonna beat her ass. I'm going to work. Alright, yeah. So, this is the car that I'm working on. Put y'all right here real quick. So cool. I already started here and there. I started doing all that, fixing all that over here. We're gonna go ahead and flatten all this out here. Like, none of these waves are gonna be here, so flatten out. I gotta fix basically all the stuff that the guy started to grind, and a couple of the imperfections that it has. Yeah, I haven't touched the sides yet, but we will fix it, that's for sure. These are the imperfections I was talking about. that right there, that hole that's not covered well there, right here, right here, obviously. This whole stain, gotta take that off. That whole stain, it just has tape on it right there. It has tape there. Yeah, this whole stain, like basically what he wants covered is these right here, all around. They were covered before, but they were still noticeable. I gotta work on this also. I gotta make it work on. But basically all the little holes that you see that are like this or like this, they're getting covered. So let me get to it. Hurry up. Alright, boom. Whatever, clean enough. Mix that shit up. You gotta whip it like if you're whipping the brick. Nah, I'm just playing. No brick whipping around here. Make it look like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so let's use it before it dries up.
Jeez.
That's the only brick I'll be moving. You heard me? Alright, bet money. We finna start sanding this thing down, smoothing it out. Boom. Blowing time. Oh, come on. Go in there. You know something else? Yes, sir. Yo, what it do, y'all? Alright, so little update on the engine bay. I did half of it already, not today, the other day. Now I primered it, first primer I ever hit on it, and then now I just gotta look at what I need to fix, and from there I'll primer it again and I'll move on to the next side because I'm not trying to miss anything and just keep on moving on. So like I said, I got stuff here and there I gotta fix, like that a little bit there. I want to block that because there's no need for that there. Some of that, I need to level that out. Level a couple stuff on the firewall, like this right here. And that's not Bondo, that's just, I needed to sand it down more so I can level it out. And then I'll re-primer it again so I can fill it in again on top of that. But yes, it's coming along. I mean, better than what it was to what it looks now. I mean, not that bad. See, had these holes up here. We don't have them no more. Yes, coming along. It's coming along. A lot of work, that's for sure. Alright guys, so I noticed I never introduced myself, so I'm Miguel. And I work on Hondas mostly. I do paint, I do some body work, and I'm the owner of the Midori EK hatch. My brother is the owner of the supercharged EG nitrous K-swap car, and I'm just trying to keep you guys entertained. And been doing this since I was maybe like 10 years old, and I just wanted to just pick up a camera and start, you know, recording everything I do. Mostly everything is cars, man. We ride dirt bikes, four-wheelers, we do it all. So in this channel you're never gonna be bored. So yeah, I mean, I just forgot I never introduced myself, but I'm Miguel, remember that. And subscribe, like, comment. Let me just get to it and go from there.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ugly ass on.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Alright guys, well, I'm almost done. Pretty much have all this side already sanded down. Pretty much have that corner over there sanded down, that firewall right there. And then after that, I'm gonna look through it again and see where I have to fill a little bit on the high and low spots, or sorry, the low spots, to fill it up so it can level out with the high spots. And yeah, go from there. I mean, it's looking good so far. Alright y'all, so there wasn't much imperfections. I mean, you know, sometimes you miss some. Like I said, I'm filling that up. I just don't like how the way it looks. You know, everything looks flat, and then that factory indentation, I'm gonna just cover it up. What else was there? Let me see. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's a little low spot there. I'm gonna fill that up. But other than that, I mean, it's coming out great. I did stop until here. I did all that piece, all this. He wants to keep all of this from like factory, but it's coming out good.